Yes, I'm in the bathroom. Yes, I look crazy with my color corrector. But I'm in a mood. I need a break. Using the light peach and the Makeup by Mario foundation that I will show you in a moment. So I let this dry. Alright, so when I was utilizing an Amazon sale around my birthday and picking out some birthday presents, I was gonna get a Profusion palette called the Gold Rush, or just Gold Rush. Instead, I got this one because it has some blushes on the side and some glitters down here. It also has a lot of yellows. I haven't used those yellows yet, so I'm gonna try to do that today. It has this thing. I really like this palette so far. I'm gonna start with this mellow cream color to just set. I forgot I have this here. Oh, they already look so crinkly. Oh, I didn't powder. Let me finish what I'm doing. I didn't set them. I think they're just gonna be crinkly though. This color is doing what I wanted it to do. I just wanted it to kind of lightly set down. Yeah, I'm shiny. I'm gonna take this Buttercup color. Kind of brush do I want? Take a semi-flat fluffy brush. Let's go into Buttercup. This might have some shimmer. Let's try finger. Because I really want solid yellow. And then I'll darken it. Here's these 4 yellows. So I was using this one. Obviously I'm going to use this one. Let's put it on now. I'm going to do it in the center. I was going to do like more fluorescent, but this is just insane. More. Oh my gosh. The other one's not really darker, so I want to... Yes, it's like school bus yellow, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to take more of a fluffy brush and this Safari color. Ooh, it's way more orange than I thought. I'm going to put a little bit of this Alive brown just in the outer V to kind of put a gradient in there. In with my contour. It's a nice little like peachy blush. I may need something a little darker though. I like that a lot. Also, this color for me is like almost a bronzy color. It's blush, but it really looks natural. It's like literally the color that I am when my cheeks turn red. I don't usually use bronzer, so this kind of just substitute for it. I have an ABH lipstick on right now called Petal, but it's not what I'm going to use for the final look. I'm going to try this one again. This is like the first one I found that like worked for me. Harsh line. Alright, my problem is this is not the color I wanted. These so far have been needing eyeliner to blend in, and I wasn't gonna do that today. I'm gonna use the third one down, the 11. It's like a big spot of something on the inside there. Started doing just a little in the inner corner and a little on the outer. Good lash day. Oh, I love good lash days. I was gonna put this gloss on, but let me get something more sparkly. Practice at this, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, I love these lashes. They're doe-eyed, but they're also a little bit flared. Highlighter. Let's go back to the duo and use this one. Ooh, that's a lot. Holy crap, that's a lot. Okay. Let's just kind of scooch that out of there. Don't need much. This foundation isn't the bestest, but it was a gift. Oh, why did I just do that over my... Oh well, whatever. Yes. They're new. Looking at my hairline, I'm not gray up there, it's just the brushes like pushing it into my hairline. Still learning. Ah. There's a big green vegetable in my teeth. I gotta get this out. Okay, hopefully I didn't have that in my teeth for my intro. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't find the one blush that I'm looking for. Oh, hello kitty. It's gonna be a yellow teeth day. That's not that bad. Ooh, that's a lot of glue. I didn't use these before. It's like they were used, but they weren't. I love good lash days.